Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So today, nasa F1 Hotel kami to celebrate our 5th wedding anniversary. And there's my beautiful wife and my makulit na anak, si RD. Hi RD, say hi! RD, say hi! Hi! So yun. So we'll be staying here overnight lang. So ngayon, let's have a room tour dito sa nakuha naming room. So this is a superior type room. Ito ngayon yung reception area. So yan, pag buksan mo yung palabas na agad na hallway. Then, here, as you can see, may cabinet dito. And, 1, 2, 3. So ito yung closet. Wow! Let's open the lights. So yan, walk-in closet siya. So, dito yung nakalagay yung mga plancha. So, ayan. Ito naman, may bathrobe. Okay. So, let's close it. And then, dito naman sa kabila is may safety deposit box and laundry bag. So, yun. And dito naman yung, circuit breaker. So, yan. So, labas na tayo dito sa walk-in closet. So, let's go to the next spot, which is the toilet. So, ito ang toilet ng F1 Hotel. So, buksan natin ng mga ilaw. So, yan. Shower. Then, ano? So, ayan. So, ito yung toilet bowl. And good thing, they have bidet. So, ito yung salamin. So, meron silang pa-shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. At pasabon. So, ayan. So, meron silang hair blower. So, let's go to the next part of the room, which is the kitchen. Oh, then kitchen. Kung saan nakalagay yung mga complementaries na coffee, water, and everything. May kettle din. So, ayan siya. They also have here mini fridge and I think there's some utensils inside. Let me just check. Wala ko ng utensils. So, wala. So, yun. And then, meron sila rito mahabang salamin. There you go. At yun ang makulit na bata. Then after, move naman tayo sa next room, which is the living room. So yan, so merong sofa sila. And then, study room. So yan. So ito naman ngayon ang kanilang kama. Yan, so good luck kung magkakasya kami sa kama. So makasya, payat ako eh. So yun. So right now, we are here at the 28th floor ng F1 Hotel. So, this is located near 32nd Street, 7th Avenue nga ba yun? Limutan ko na yung talagang street. Hanapin nyo na lang sa Google. Pero, ilalagay ko yan dito sa link below, yung kanilang address and their website. So, so far, well, kanina umaga, nung pagdating namin dito, medyo may konting aberya lang. The problem here is yung parking. So, ngayon nahirapan kami sa parking lot. So they are advising us to park nearby, pero it's not cost of the hotel, but it's a personal cost. So medyo hassle for guests or visitors dito, especially when you check in, kasi kung wala kang parking, you need to look for another parking slots nearby or parking space, either open space or meron dito mga kalapit na malls, but of course it will cost you a bit or medyo quite expensive yung parking. So yun, but other than that, I think since this is the first night pa lang naman namin dito, so let's see kung we'll try to take some dinner here. Okay, so far, okay naman yung room nila, malinis and everything. Walang maayos naman siya so far. mamaya magulo na siya dahil dun sa makulit na bata na nakita nyo kanina. So yun. So I think yun lamang for this quick room tour, room review, hotel review. So yun. So again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell button for any new videos uploaded, and thank you guys for watching my vlog. Until then, ciao.